Yo, it's Mr. O dropping the mathematics. When you spit this in class, you're charismatic. Like 7 times 7 is 49. Now let's divide, come back, rewind. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Now watch me drop this just like a reverend. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 6 times 6 is 36. There is no need for a remix. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Hey, this is that dope trick. 8 times 8 is 64. Should I say more? 64 divided by 8 is 8. I think I'm doing kind of great. Let me think of some more numbers before you start to slumber. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now I mean, 3 times 3 is 9. Come back, rewind. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Man, this is kind of crazy. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Say no more. 1 times 1 is 1. That was so easy. That's making this a whole lot of fun. 11 times 11 is 121. 121 divided by 11 is 11. I think I popped this stuff like a reverend. But I'm the hip-hop teacher, Mr. O. And when you go to school, you got to flow. Mathematics, one thing you should know. Before I let go, boop, 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 before I let go. All right, y'all, know the mathematics, know your times tables, because they don't really teach them anymore. You need to know your times tables so you can have it automatic mathematics, just like me. So there you have it. A math addict. Woo! All right, y'all, peace. Mr. O, describe on my channel, the hip-hop teacher on YouTube, thehiphopteacher.com, the bomb.